Hey guys, this is Jason with Swan Vinyl Works. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Grille stripe overlay kit. This will cover up the red stripe on your 2022 through 2024 Jetta GLI. The tools you're going to need for this install are 70% isopropyl alcohol, some towels to clean everything up, micro squeegee, which is available on our website, and a heat gun. Before you install, you're going to want to clean your grill strip. This one's already pretty clean as I just installed our chrome delete. But make sure to get rid of any contamination because anything that's left on the grill will probably show up in the vinyl afterwards. I like to take the tucking tool and wrap the towel around the end, and that'll help you get into these creases right here. All right, once the grill is cleaned, you're going to want to start with the flat side of the decal. Peel off a little bit of backing paper. Put a crease right there so you have a little bit to work with. And just want to line it up very carefully. Check your top and bottom to make sure you don't have any red showing. And then all you're going to do from here is peel some more backing paper back. Just lay your template right between your two chrome strips. And you can pretty much squeegee as you go. I like to pull it off 5 or 6 inches at a time. That keeps it manageable and make sure you don't get too much garbage in the material. If you check your work and you see that you've missed a spot, you can just pull it back real easy. It is very forgiving in that way. So once you get to around this bend, you can just pull the rest of your backing paper off. Make it easier to work with. And just continue on to the very end. Once you're here, you can just carefully peel back that application tape. Make sure your decal is sticking right here in the middle. You don't want to see it lifting off as you pull the tape, because that can cause some wrinkles down the road. All right, as you can see, this end down here needs a little bit of love. You want to make sure that your material is peeled back off this edge. That way the heat gun can help shrink the vinyl around. Once you've got the material nice and soft, just kind of feed it down into this edge. Give it a little more heat. So you can see how there's a little finger there. You just kind of slide the squeegee back and forth over it, and that'll work its way to the edge. And what you want to do is take your heat gun, once you get it laid down, take your heat gun and post heat it so it will stay. Otherwise, it's likely to lift back up.
So
So now we're just going to feed the material in with the micro squeegee. And it's best, you don't really want to slide it across. Just kind of go, put the back of the squeegee where you're at and feed it in. All right, last thing we got down here is this little bottom corner. So we're gonna hit it with some heat. And then just tug it in. All right, and there you have it. Yeah, for those curious, this is highlighter yellow with a gloss black chrome delete. If you have any questions or anything like that, please reach out via my website on the contact page. I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.